Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger login problem. So, let me show you. If you open your Messenger app, currently I'm logged in, so I'll simply log out of my account. So once you're in this page, if you enter your phone number or your email address, your password and tap login, sometimes it will say an unexpected error has occurred or error logging in. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix those errors. So the first thing you want to do is, if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data and vice versa. Now once you've done that, try logging in again and you might be able to log in, but if you still can't log in, it may be because your Facebook Messenger app is not up to date. To make it up to date, simply go to your Play Store or App Store and then type in Messenger. And now, where it says open, if your app says update, it means that your app is not up to date. So simply tap on update and then update your Messenger to the latest version. Now, once your app is updated, try logging in again. And if you are still not able to log in, there is one final way on how you can fix that error. That is by going to your settings. After that, scroll down and then tap on apps. Now scroll down until you find Messenger. Now tap on it and then try force stopping the app. Now once you've done that, scroll down and then go to storage. Now try clearing both the cache memory as well as the data of your Messenger app. Now once that's all done, open your Facebook Messenger app once again, and now your problem will most probably be solved. So that is how you solve Facebook Messenger login error problem. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.